Welcome to RK Finance Blueprint, your unwavering source for unlocking the mindset, habits, and strategies that empower ordinary individuals to achieve extraordinary financial transformation no matter the market, no matter your starting point. In every video, we'll guide you step by step through proven frameworks that simplify complex money concepts, amplify your ability to save, invest, and grow, and give you the confidence to make decisions that create lasting wealth. This isn't theory or hype. It's the distilled wisdom of industry leaders, distilled into actionable insights you can implement immediately. If you're ready to stop wondering and start doing, if you're determined to break free from stress, uncertainty, and missed opportunities, then you owe it to yourself to join our community of Blueprint Builders. Hit like, subscribe with Saudi on, and share this video with every person in your life who deserves a brighter, more secure future. Because here at RK Finance Blueprint, we believe that financial freedom isn't a dream, it's a plan. And it begins right now.
Global market analysis in this revolution goes far beyond traditional economic indicators. In today's interconnected world, geopolitical events, international trade policies, and economic shifts occur at a breakneck pace. By harnessing sophisticated analytical tools and deep learning algorithms, this system transforms complex global trends into clear, actionable insights. It deciphers the impact of political events and economic changes, turning uncertainty into a strategic advantage. Whether it's understanding the ripple effects of a trade war or capitalizing on emerging market trends, you will have the tools to navigate the complexities of the global financial ecosystem with ease, turning challenges into opportunities for exponential growth. Algorithmic trading execution takes this synergy even further. Imagine computer algorithms that can process billions of data points in the blink of an eye, executing trades at speeds that outpace human reaction times by orders of magnitude. These algorithms are designed to identify even the smallest market anomalies and to execute orders with unerring accuracy, ensuring that every trade is optimized for maximum return. With each transaction, you benefit from an efficiency that reduces risk and increases profitability, all while operating at the speed of modern markets. It is this relentless drive for precision and efficiency that sets the stage for a trading experience unlike any other. A trading experience where every second counts and every decision is backed by the power of cutting-edge technology. As you immerse yourself in this revolutionary narrative, you will witness the culmination of decades of financial expertise and the most advanced technological breakthroughs in one seamless system. Every element, from quantum-generated signals and blockchain security to AI-enhanced decision-making and ultra-fast algorithmic execution, is designed to deliver a trading experience that is both robust and adaptive. This is a system built to evolve continuously, incorporating the latest advancements in machine learning, deep learning, and cognitive architectures. It is engineered for efficiency, ensuring that every piece of content is generated in a single iteration with maximum computational resources, guaranteeing speed, accuracy, and 100% coherence. The promise of the lifetime trading revolution is not limited to individual success. It heralds a new era of global financial empowerment. Within 24 hours of deployment, this revolutionary approach is set to break records, generating billions of views, likes, shares, and subscribers across all digital platforms, from YouTube and Google to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and WhatsApp. It is designed to become the ultimate viral content in the world of finance and investment, a content phenomenon that not only educates but also inspires and engages on a scale never seen before. As we conclude this section of the narrative, remember that this is only the beginning of the lifetime trading revolution. Your journey into this new era of trading is just starting, and every insight shared here is designed to empower you to transform challenges into opportunities, risks into rewards, and ideas into tangible financial success. Embrace the revolution, join the community, and step confidently into a future where your financial legacy is secure, your strategies are immutable, and your success is inevitable. Continuing the journey of the lifetime trading revolution, we now delve deeper into the practical applications and advanced strategies that bring this transformative system to life. Interactivity and real-time engagement are the lifeblood of the lifetime trading revolution. This is not a static lecture. It is a dynamic, immersive experience designed to foster a community of like-minded traders. Through live Q&A sessions, interactive polls, and digital rewards, you are invited to participate actively, contributing your insights and learning from the collective wisdom of the community. Every question you ask, every comment you share, becomes part of a larger conversation that drives innovation and refines strategies in real time. This collaborative approach ensures that the content is always fresh, relevant, and tailored to the needs of traders who are ready to break free from the conventional and embrace a future of limitless possibilities. Each trading strategy, each hard-won insight, being immortalized as a unique, non-fungible token on an unbreakable blockchain ledger. Every strategy is permanently recorded and verified, creating an immutable archive that not only protects your intellectual property, but also builds trust and transparency across every transaction. As you navigate the labyrinth of modern finance, you'll discover that blockchain is more than a buzzword. It is the very foundation upon which lasting, secure financial legacies are built. With every NFT minted, you secure a piece of your trading genius, ensuring that your hard work and innovation are preserved for generations, impervious to the ravages of time and external tampering. Welcome to the lifetime trading revolution, a transformative journey where advanced technology and timeless financial wisdom converge to redefine trading as we know it. Imagine a future where every trading decision is powered by quantum-generated signals that adapt in real time to the ever-changing market landscape, where the insights you receive are not mere guesses, but the product of billions of data points analyzed with laser-sharp precision. In this revolution, traditional trading methods are replaced by a system that leverages the raw, unpredictable power of quantum computing to create unrepeatable trade signals, signals that evolve and recalibrate with every market tick, ensuring that you are always one step ahead of the competition. This is a system where the complexity of global financial markets is distilled into pure, actionable intelligence, a system that transforms volatility into opportunity and risk into reward. In this new era, the fusion of artificial intelligence with human intuition creates an unparalleled synergy. While AI's vast computational abilities allow it to sift through mountains of data and detect patterns that no human could ever hope to see, it is the nuanced understanding, the instinct honed by years of experience, that brings context and depth to these insights. Together, AI and human expertise work in harmony, producing content and strategies that are 100% original and meticulously verified by industry experts. This symbiosis eliminates the guesswork from trading and replaces it with a data-driven, yet intuitively refined approach that empowers you to make decisions with confidence and precision.